Tatila Migosi from Thorngrove Academy with 417 points. Grace Nema Katana from Havila Academy, Mutwapa Primary School. Kamau Jackson Degwa from Mudhiria. Musioka Kings Kevin. All those have 401. The two of them have 401. Kadhozweni AIC. And number 5 is Migosi Dominic Sese from Maunarok, 401. Number 6 is Minor Leighton Jagi, Olkalau Disabled, 399. Utieno Bara Konyango from St. Cecilia Olare in Homa Bay. Number 6, Mwechofi Leonora Mukawaindi, De Paul Catholic School, Kamulu. Number 9, Philip Karani, Likoni School for the Blind. And number 10, Dorcas Cherono, St. Sophia, Kcpe Primary School, 396. The number of candidates who sat examination under special circumstances, including those who sat the examination in hospitals, decreased from 1,240 to 1,067. The most improved public schools whose candidates are greater than 50, I will read just a few per region. The first region is the Coast Region, Kambi Awaya from 203 to 266. Central Region, Njenga Karume from 207 to 248. Eastern, Ngukuine from 165 to 250. Nairobi, Cheleta from 213 to 263. Rift Valley, Lenkishoni from 198 to 272. Western, Kewa DEB from 216 to 284. Nyanza, Nyangiti from 170 to 232. And Northeastern, Mandera DEB from 181 to 270. We encourage them and hope that they continue to improve. Ladies and gentlemen, accessing the Kcpe examination results, it is our tradition that the Kcpe examination results will be collected by respective schools from the sub-county education offices. Candidates should therefore collect their results from their respective examination centers. And let me warn the head teachers, both public and private, this is a Kenya government examination. You shall give the candidate his or her results. Talk about school fees on the side. Are we together here? You are keeping it. Is it your school? And is it your country? So can we give every candidate his results so that I don't have people coming up to my office that we give results from here? That is thoroughly inhuman. And I hope that is taken in the manner that it is required. Individual candidates' results can be assessed by sending a candidate's index number followed by initials, Kcpe, the short-term SMS to 20076. This service will be available immediately after this event. Head teachers will be required to download and print the online result slips for candidates in their schools and authenticate the same before they release them to the parents and guardians. And it is the wish of His Excellency the President, and also mine, that every child gets his results. Deal with the parents later. Because as far as the public